How much would you spend on the perfect cup of coffee? That's the question we kept asking ourselves while testing the Ratio 8, a coffee maker that's developed a cult-following reputation because of its ability to simulate a manual pour-over bloom cycle. This second-generation batch brewer sits firmly in the luxury tier of home coffee equipment, positioning itself as the endgame drip coffee maker you'd want to leave your barista for. The moment we unboxed the Ratio 8, the build quality spoke for itself. It feels incredibly well built and engineered to last for decades, not just a few years. The walnut accents are particularly attractive, and it looks right at home in both mid-century modern and minimalist kitchens. There's integrated rubber on the bottom of the heavy carafe to protect delicate wooden countertops. But we have to talk about one major design compromise. It's big. Very big. Because of its pour-over-inspired drip system and its large-capacity carafe, the Ratio 8 is a tight squeeze for most kitchens with built-in cabinets. This limits where you can keep it. It can also make refilling the reservoir awkward. Admittedly, the Ratio isn't alone in this respect. The X-Bloom, which offers a similar brew solution, has the exact same issue. If you're trying to eliminate plastic from your hot brewing process, this unit represents one of the most expensive ways to do so. It's worth keeping in mind that plastic-free coffee isn't inherently costly. Gear like a French press, a ceramic pour-over cone, or a stainless steel mocha pot produce coffee without touching plastic. None of those require an $800 investment. Put into perspective, our beloved Moccamaster costs less than half that price. The Moccamaster has long been considered the gold standard for high-end automatic drip, though it's not devoid of plastic. While Ratio was once one of the few brands offering an automated brew path with zero hot water to plastic contact, emerging competition is slowly challenging that differentiator. Still, for enthusiasts seeking an elevated, hands-off morning routine paired with high-end countertop aesthetics, the Ratio 8 makes an immediate and striking impression. At the heart of it is a material-first design. It's constructed from precision machined aluminum, hand-blown borosilicate glass, and warm wood accents. The machine completely removes hot plastic from the water path. Rather than relying on standard internal tubing, water flows through food-grade glass and stainless steel components. This ensures your brew never comes into contact with synthetic materials at high temperatures. To recreate the quality of a manual pour-over, the machine incorporates an automated bloom cycle. Once started, a wide showerhead saturates the grounds with an initial burst of hot water. This lets fresh coffee off-gas before the main extraction phase. The brew temperature ranges perfectly between 190 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The entire process is controlled through a single touch button. It senses the water level in the tank and automatically sequences the machine through its bloom and brew phases without requiring complex menu navigation. Above the start button, you'll find 3 LED indicators letting you know which of the 3 stages of brewing it's currently on. The finished coffee lands in a double-walled thermal carafe designed to retain heat naturally without the scorching effects of a traditional hot plate. In daily use, the Ratio 8 bridges the gap between artisan pour-over quality and batch brewer convenience. Temperature stability is remarkably consistent throughout the cycle. This ensures grounds are saturated evenly via the wide showerhead design. The resulting cup offers bright and clear flavors, particularly when brewing light to medium roasted specialty origins. We certainly didn't taste any plastic, though that's never been the case with any coffee we've ever had. The brewing process is smooth and quiet, though the button is less than satisfying. A super minor thing, but we'd love to see a tactile switch here. A bigger shortcoming is that the minimalist design means trading off fine-tuned control parameters like variable brew temperatures or programmable start times. You don't get to experiment with brewing outside the alternate recipe mentioned in the box. To initiate it, you just hold the start button for 3 seconds. Overall, this is an exceptional piece of coffee gear designed for those who value clean materials, elegant design, and effortless operation. It carries a steep price tag, especially compared to proven industry benchmarks like the Moccamaster. But its blend of build quality, great looks, and consistent extraction makes it a compelling centerpiece for your coffee bar. If you deeply enjoy pour-over and want a lot of it, the Ratio 8 delivers an experience you and your bank account won't soon forget.